Hi there, I'm Scott, UK Development Chef for Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to showcase to you how we insert the accessories for the SCV2 into the cavity correctly. First off, we take our Teflon liner and remove it from its wrapping. Once this is done, we take the edges that are already pre-folded and fold these. And fold them again in half. Once we've done this, place the brown base plate on top and insert into the oven. We can then add the wire rack and finally finish with the white ceramic plate. Close the door and we are ready to start using the oven. I do hope you found this video both useful and informative, but if you do have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact Panasonic UK.